Hi guys, it's Shah here at the Tech Porg, and today my video is about outputting the largest number between three numbers, and it's fairly similar to the isosceles program I had made earlier. This is our first variable. A represent the first number, B second number, and C third number. If we int them to make sure that it's a valid input, so they can only enter whole numbers. We don't want to allow decimals or anything that's not a number. So that validates it, and these are if statements. So if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, so if A is bigger than both of these two, it will output largest is A. If B is greater than an A and B is greater than C, then obviously B is the biggest. If C is greater than A and C is greater than B, then obviously C is the biggest, right? And to counteract the rest of the statements, we have to add more lines, obviously. So if A is equal to B and B is equal to C at the same time, that means they're all the same, right? So print they are all the same. Alright, so we've catered for all of them. So we've catered for A, B, and C. If we run this now, alright, it shows an error. If A is equal to B and B is equal to, what is this? Where is it showing the error? Line 10. Okay. What have I done wrong? Oops, it's meant to be double equals to. Alright, I'm forgetting Python because of C++. The goal for first is 10, 9, 8. Largest is 10. As you can see, it's working. If we rerun this, change it to 5, 6, 7, it should say largest is 7. And if we make number 2 the largest, or 5, 8, 7, and largest is 8. So as you can see, the program is working. Let's say if they're all the same. Alright, there you go, they're all the same, run. But let's say if it's 5, 4, 5, as you can see, it doesn't output anything because we haven't written anything to show if what happens if the first and third are the same, or the second and third are the same, or first and third are the same. So we need to cater for all of that. And all it is just one line, 2 lines extra, else print 2 of the values are the same. There you go. If we run this now, 5, 4, 5. As you can see, 2 of the values are the same. If we run it again, 4, 4, 5. Largest is 5. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, 4, 4, 5. So C is greater than A, and C is greater than B. Okay, B is greater than A. So clearly there's some sort of an error now. Okay, largest. As you can see, it has proven that C is greater than A and C is greater than B, which is why it's able to run it. Let's say we did okay, so this is how it works. If two of the numbers are bigger than the smaller, if they're two same numbers and they're bigger than the smaller one, it's going to output two of the values are the same. But if two of the numbers are smaller than the biggest one, then it's going to output the biggest one. I hope you understand what I mean by that. And thank you for watching, guys. It's fairly straightforward. And thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.